Welcome to a deep dive into the technology and the driver's aids of the Honda Ridgeline. Now, what I really like about the Honda Link system is that it's only one screen. A lot of Honda products have two screens. In the Ridgeline, it's just one. From the homepage, you've got everything that you could possibly want. Navigation, phone, even your truck bed audio, so you can have a party in the truck bed. Oh yeah. And when you get into the navigation, the graphics are really clear, very crisp. It's a really easy system to use. But honestly, how much are you going to be using the navigation? Because Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, so it's really easier to just go ahead and plug in your phone and use that interface. The USB port in the front is the only one that is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so be sure to use that one. Otherwise, for charging, there is a 12-volt outlet, a USB port here in the center cubbyhole, and two USB ports for your rear seat passengers. Now, when it comes to driver's aids, the Honda Ridgeline, at least in our almost top-of-the-line trim, has got a lot of the bells and whistles included in Honda Sensing. So that has got your adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, road departure mitigation, lane keeping assist, and blind spot information. It all works really well together to help keep you safe on the road. What I really like is the lane keeping assist that keeps you centered in the lane and you don't even have to touch the steering wheel. Of course, the truck is going to warn you. It'll give you a nice little like, hey dummy, put your hands back on the steering wheel warning, but it helps make driving in stop and go traffic a little bit less stressful. The adaptive cruise control, however, doesn't work below 25 miles an hour, so once you get into that stop and go traffic, you gotta use your own right foot. There is one thing that really grinds my gears about the technology in the Honda Ridgeline, and that's this. There's no physical volume knob. This little slider thing here is the worst thing on the face of the planet. It's not fast enough and it's really, really annoying. Honda, give me a regular knob, please. When it comes to technology in the Honda Ridgeline, simple is better. The Honda Link system is super easy to use, even though it doesn't have that physical volume knob, and the driver's aids with Honda Sensing, they're pretty top-notch.